Hey there, everybody. We're just following Duck Norris and Hazel back into the duck yard. We're just doing some minor updates and adjustments. So, first exciting news of the evening. I'm willing to bet you can see at least one of them. Here's our little frog friend right there. But we're gonna get in close and upset her just a little bit, because if I pan down, that's one gigantic sack of eggs. But there's another whole pouch of eggs just hanging out on the air tubing for the duck pond. And this lady right there angrily watching me. If I come over here, you can see her neighbor just hanging out right over there. I haven't seen the third or fourth since coming back in. I know. You're a chatty lady, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'll back up off of the eggs. So, that is from one good-sized rain. She's keeping an eye on me, because I'm trouble. My thoughts going for this season are that I'd like to expand the footprint of the pond and make it a little bit more shelf-like in a couple of areas. So we've been doing a little bit of digging, a little bit of exploring. But so, we're going to come around here. And first, we'll check in on Miss Mallardy. Are you waiting on babies? She's got, I don't know, 12, 15 eggs under her right now. And if I come around this way, here's Magica, who's also sitting on some babies. But back behind Magica, you can't really see it because cameras and light and things. But rest assured, Hazel has a nest back in that other corner where the light is coming in from. And there's about 15 eggs over there. So there's about 38-ish duck eggs. And we noticed little Webbigail getting a little broody too. Her caruncles have changed color, and she started plucking some feathers and pulling up grass. She was making a small nest in the chicken coop, but we decided that the first iteration of the duck cabanas would make their appearance today. Finished buttoning this up with some scrap bits of pallet wood and some leftover linoleum. And what we've done is taken some of the leaf litter and mulch, and we've stuck one of the eggs that Webbigail had put into the other one of the dog houses over there. We stuck it in there. I think I almost want to pick her up and put her in here so she knows about it, but it makes me a little anxious because she gets flighty. My poor little startling Webby. Chris is jealous of all the attention that the new girls are getting. What do you say, pal? Fun fact, if you hear more than one rooster crowing, they're actually saying, "I'm a rooster too." True story. Not many people know that. So, we'll be doing some more updates and additions to this area. We've got, I don't know, maybe 40 babies. More than 40 babies if Webigail decides that she's going to start nesting for real. My little Webby. Yeah, I want to show you where your egg went. Anyway, that's just a quick update for us, guys. I was getting real excited about how many babies I'm going to have to watch over, but luckily Muscovies are generally regarded as pretty good mothers. We'll see how they do this year. We'll get back to some more food forest stuff in the near future, but just a quick little duck date, and yeah, thanks for watching. Happy planting.